Good morning, my name's Caleb, I'm from Winches. I'm here with my coworker Aubrey today at the Asheville City Market. It's 9 a.m. on Saturday and we're about to do some shopping for some ingredients. We are hoping to get some things to make an avocado salsa that we will demonstrate for you in our cooking demo that's to come. So stay tuned.
Alrighty, so for those of you who don't know, Winches stands for Western North Carolina Community Health Services, and it is a federally qualified community health center right here in Asheville. It's a place where you can receive primary care, dental care, and pretty soon eye care as well.
For this project, we're partnering with ASAP. ASAP is an organization that supports local farmers in the Southern Appalachians. They also work to promote access to healthy, clean, and locally sourced food. It's a really great organization, and we're so excited to be working with them today. Here's Aubrey with some tips on how to shop at one of these markets.
Okay, so tip one is that there's usually either a farm market manager or an info booth. So if you ever have questions or need help in any way at the farmer's market, there's someone there to help you. Tip two is it's always great to make a list. Do some meal planning and come with your list of vegetables or meats or eggs that you might need throughout the week. Tip three is it's smart to kind of do a lap around the market before you actually go up and buy anything, so you kind of know what's available and you know the price points. Tip four is to always bring your own bags. Like Caleb was saying, ASAP focuses on sustainably grown food, and that also means being a sustainable consumer, so bring your own bags so you don't have to use plastic or paper ones. So if you receive SNAP benefits or have an EBT card, then you can go to that info desk that we just showed you, and you swipe your EBT card, and at this market and a few other markets in Asheville, they will actually double your SNAP dollars. And so if you swipe for $20, then you can receive $40 in coins like these that every vendor who sells food will accept, and you can give them your coins and receive produce in return. So we're just going to go through some of the things that we got today and where we got them from. So we got these cherry tomatoes. It's going to fall. These cherry tomatoes are from my Seneca farm. This red onion and shishito peppers are from Olivet Farm. Cilantro, we got that from Bare Necessities Farm. And some ears of corn we got from Green Toe Ground Farm. So now that we have everything washed and laid out, as you can see, we're going to start the chopping process.
Last but not least is our lime. This is where most of our flavor is going to come from. So we'll just give that a quick cut. I'm just cutting it into little quarters like that, and then I'm just going to squeeze the juice in there. And then to top it off, add just a little bit of kosher salt, just enough to taste, and grind up some black pepper. And now it's time to stir. Just gonna give that a nice stir.
Alrighty, so we're done with their beautiful corn, peach, and avocado salsa salad that we've made here, and Caleb and I are just going to eat this with some tortilla chips, but you could also eat it with rice and beans or on toast or in a quesadilla or on tacos. So really the world is your oyster in terms of a dish like this, and you only need a cutting board and a knife and no heat or oven needed, so it's pretty accessible for anyone who wants to try this out. So you can find this recipe that we made in this video on the ASAP website, along with some other cooking demos that are similar to this one. break the tape. That's a good reason to shop at the local farmers market.